Hello and welcome everyone to Wolf Quest. Today we will be playing as me. And I'm very excited. Oh, and my name is Sam, by the way. And so yeah, let's get right into the video. So we gotta hunt some elk. Oh, this is my first video, and very sorry. So goal for this series, definitely have a very large pack and grow up 2 or 3 litters of pups. So yeah, or at least our first litter, and try to make sure like none die. I should probably be using this. Mule deer. Yes. Follow the pink. Pine grass. We may actually catch a deer. No. Wait, I lost the scent. No, did I miss it? Oh my gosh, wait. Sorry, my brothers are super loud. Oh, no, there it is. So anyway. Oh my god, it was a troll. That scared me to death. Wait, what is this footprints from? Oh, grizzly. Hope it's not following the same thing as I am. Wait, Sasha. Wait, there. I'm so sorry if this takes literally hours, forever, but yeah. I think all the way up this mountain. Oh, moose. What did I just? I'm not gonna question what I just scared. Probably like. Well, that was the most we just saw. Oh! Scatter! No, I'm going to eat you all up. Cause I'm the wolf. Ow! Right, now I can just focus on this. Hey, no! Oh, shoot! Okay, you lot. She's leaving me! Well, this is our first elk, obviously. Just the mom standing there not doing. Cool, it's dead. Yeah, it's dead. Okay. Hey, back up. It's alive? Cool, okay. Wait, the mom. Die. Oh, shoot, major injury. Maybe we should just leave the female. Maybe we should just leave the mom. You know what? I'm done. I can't go after her. Where'd I put the bait? Where's the... Oh, shoot. I lost my prey. Oh, come on. Serious? Please. I don't need that. You know what? Just gonna. Okay, wanna. You know what? We can find more elk. Oh, yeah. Run. Running with the elk. There's a cougar. Got it. Oh my gosh, we just held on for like. Okay, let's just lay down for a bit. So, you know the dreams in this? They give me nightmares. Like, actually, I get so scared because of them. I don't feel safe. Why is it all? Actually, all. So, please ignore my dog. It's very loud. I don't even know if we're gaining health. Well, I don't have any food. Snowshoe hare. Oh, let us catch this hare. It's like it's already being chased. Dang it, I lost it. If I die of starvation, that'll be so annoying. Can I eat you? Wait, I want to eat your food, right? She's biting! Got it. Okay. Got prey. Got food. Right. Here, need it. Oh, the noise. Spam. Wait, there's wolves around here? Oh, dang it. This is gonna make everything harder. I knew I should have let that mom do. We got him in our zone. It's an elk cap, all right. Got it. Dang it! Let it get away, let it get away, let it get away. Gonna grab it, gonna grab it. Come on! So low on health. I can't. I can break off. No, I should put more in the health. Right, this is that one. Yeah, not rich. Oh, well, that is actually lucky. Yeah. Okay, I'm logging onto this one. Don't let her get away. Hoping that she'll just turn and fight. Like a cat. No, cowards run. She's a coward. We're just gonna chase her forever. Oh, dang it. Territory. Lock onto the slowest one. I don't care right now. Jeez, Jesus! Lock onto the button. One. wolves will attack me for this. Jeez, no! Lost it. Now I'm going back for the rabbit. Got it. Right, let's take it off the tear. Oh, shoot. Got it. Oh, they led me to the elk herd. Do this. Break for it! Oh, dang it. No, 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 no. No, run. Just turn a little. I just want to see what's wrong. Oh my gosh. Actually really hard. Well, at least it's morning. A little hope here. $20 to go. There. Lock on. Oh, dang it! Coyotes! This is my prey. Coyotes. Oh, that's a tails territory now. What is it? So it says Pollex Creek Outfit. Alright, let's see. Oh, there goes a golden eagle. Moose. No, you're not getting anywhere. I've gotta run, I've gotta run, I've gotta run. Got it. Got it too. Yo, that's 2 rabbits. Okay. Is that really? Because they can watch my prey. Chase away anything else to eat. Right, I've killed 1. So there's that. But I'm really hurt, so we're gonna mostly sleep. Should have invested in stamina. Right. There! Yes. Okay, got it. Well, this is really, this is not how I wanted my video to start out at. But you know what? That's okay. Because I see elk. Food! Go. This one! Come on, guys. Just let me have a little food. Which rabbits can eat water? So yeah. Well, hopefully we find more elk. At least a lone female-ish thing. Or a small herd. Okay. Hey boys! Bye boys. Kinda wish you could crossbreed with coyotes in this, but that's not really realistic. Yo! Yeah! Woo! I don't care, this is mine! Ugh. Got him! This is a terrible mom. Got him! You'll never escape. I can't. Just let me hook onto the child. Oh no, I don't want the rabbit! Stupid. There! It's the baby. Hook on. No, not the mom, the baby. Yes. Jeez! Lady! I'm actually scared of thunderstorms. Hey, this is mine! Cool. Okay, so... back off. Yeah, let's sleep. Oh no, I hate these. Oh, the puppies. Or maybe they're memories. I'm not gonna question why they're saying flying animal. Hey boys. Yeah, you can share some. Just wanna grab some leftover. We're gonna stay here pretty much. We're gonna howl low. Oh! Let's grab some to go. I'm gonna go for the bigger group pretty much. Oh, dang it. Please. Okay, so this one ranks me. Whoa. Wait, which one? Which one? Okay, grab the play bow. Oh! Wait. Play bow. Oh yeah, he likes me. Right. Okay, cute. I like this one. I like him. Hey. Confident tail wag, you know? We're confident, we're happy. Okay, I get it. Me too. Okay. Yeah. Lick fit. No. Okay. Sniff nose. Wait! Don't. Sniff. Okay. Just gotta sniff nose. Yeah. And a lick. Lick around it. Okay, I'll slow down. Yeah, just lay back. Okay, so when it says to slow down, you should actually. Bro, that's actually like one of my moves I did for my practice run. It's like the same skin was funny. I'm gonna name you Fog. Confident. Let's go! Oh wait, how's he hurt? He's older. Wait, I just... He's 3! Gee! Okay. 9 are drawing. Yay! He rallied. Okay. He looks so... Wait, can I? Oh, dang it. I hate when I have to pull off the hunt. We're just gonna... Come here. Wait. We'll go to my old kit. We'll go to my kill. That's what we'll do. And also, I'll take this guy. Got it. Here. Want something? Okay, we'll take it to go. Oh, buddy, come on. We gotta get going. We're heading to my car. We're heading to the car kit. Okay. Let's play now. Okay, good. Okay, I think he just got stoked going. Yeah, morning. Good goodness. There, my carcass. Run, it's not gone yet. Oh, come on. Hey, bud. Oh, yeah. Let's go. We gotta find my we gotta go to the carcass. So I think we're gonna end off here in a minute. That is a huge group. Oh. My carcass! Wait, cougar. Save the carcass! We're gonna bring this boy down. Hi! Back off! Back off! Our prey! Well, this is an interesting way to end off the video, fighting a cougar. He beats some life. We're just trying to save my carcass, and we're fighting a cougar for it. Will this guy just leave? Bro, I feel like if we don't kill him, he'll like mark us. You know, like, back! Oh no, he got a hit. He got a hit! Get him! Get him! I feel like I'm TPing, but I know. Can we kill it? Because I feel like it'll mark us and then come after. I'm just like trying. No! No, no, no. No, he's gonna die, he's gonna die! Oh, shoot. Oh my god. That cougar was crazy. Let's just hope it's sleeping. We'll make it leave. Okay, yeah. Oh shoot, it's still there. Okay, we're gonna sleep for longer. Oh, he's... Oh. Wait, I'm a little tired, buddy. Is it free? Quick! Okay, here. Here. We all can share. Hey, leave him alone. Hey! Jeez, I just said we all can share. I'm literally trying to, like... Oh, dang it. Jesus! Jesus! Jesus Christ! We're out of here. Oh, thank you. Right. You shouldn't have attacked them. Look, I'm just trying to grab this, you know, chunk of meat. Right, let's go, let's go! Out of here, we're out of here. Oh, thank goodness. Here, food. Eat, please. It's the coyotes. Oh, he ate. Hey! He's not even my mate! Where are you? Fog. Wait. Fog. Hey, I can't. Yes! Hang on, I was being stupid. Okay, yeah, you eat. Oh, awesome. Let's sleep. Right, and when we wake up, we will end off the video. Oh, good, he's healed. Ish. He still has a... major injury. Still have my major injury. Okay.